A common question notaries ask is, can I notarize for someone who doesn't speak English? And more specifically, can they bring a translator into a remote online notarization session? I'm Katora with BlueNotary, and let's see if we can clear this up for you. As a notary, you have to be able to communicate directly with the signer to verify they understand what they're signing and that they're signing willingly. If you can't communicate with them through a shared language, you generally cannot notarize for them. This is about your core duty, which is about confirming identity, willingness, and awareness. You can't confirm awareness if you can't talk to the person. Many states allow a third-party interpreter to assist, but there are important guardrails. The interpreter is not allowed to have a personal interest in the document, and many states require them to also be identified and sometimes to sign a statement confirming that they translated accurately. In a RON session, this gets more complex. You need every party, including the interpreter, visible on camera, properly identified, and the platform needs to support a multi-party session. Remember that state requirements vary, so check your state's specific rules. The safest practice for an interpreter on a RON session is to bring in a qualified, disinterested third party. Also remember that you cannot notarize if you have doubts that the signer truly understands the document, even with an interpreter present. If something feels off, like the signer is hesitant, shows confusion, or the interpreter is answering for them instead of translating, you can and should pause the session. This is one of the more state-specific gray areas in notary practice. Some states have explicit interpreter statutes for notarizations, and others are silent on it entirely. Before you take on a session like this, check your specific state's notary handbook or call your state's notary regulating authority. Here's a simple checklist when you're doing a RON session with an interpreter. Confirm your platform supports multi-party sessions, which BlueNotary does. Confirm that your state allows interpreter-assisted notarizations and check for specific requirements. Identify the interpreter just like you would the signer. Document in your journal that an interpreter was used and their relationship to the signer if there was one. And throughout the session, watch for signs that the signer is engaging directly, not just nodding along. This question came up from a comment on one of our other videos. So if you've got a question like this, make sure to drop it below. There's a good chance it becomes the next video. I hope this helped. And if you're ready to start notarizing online today, visit BlueNotary.us.